What makes Damac Lagoons an outrageously good investment? And in this video, I'm going to talk about how Damac Lagoons price per square feet is the best as of now in the market. So on the screen, you can see the price per square feet of different localities. We will start with Arabian Ranches 1. The price per square feet in Arabian Ranches 1 varies between 950 dirhams per square feet to 1500 dirhams per square feet. And this is the kind of average of the highest and the lowest. Otherwise, the highest in some cases goes up to 2000 dirhams per square feet. So if I take out the average between the two, on an average, Arabian Ranches 1 trades between 1200 to 1300 price per square feet. Bottom in the red, you can see Arabian Ranches 2. The price per square feet varies between 900 to 1300 price per square feet. And I'm not talking about the price from the developer, I'm talking about the price from the secondary market. This is the value that you get if you sell your property today. So people are selling their properties in Arabian Ranches 2 today, and in all these locations today, and in the price that varies between, for Arabian Ranches 2, 900 dirhams to 1300 dirhams per square feet. On the top green, you can see Greens Community Motor City. The price varies between 900 to 1200 per square feet. Not a lot of amenities, again not a very good community in terms of lifestyle, but the pricing is still in between 900 to 1200 price per square feet. Towards the left, you can see Victory Heights. The price per square feet in Victory Heights varies between 900 to 1200 price per square feet. And below Victory Heights, here you can see Tilal Al Ghaf. The price in secondary market varies between 800 dirhams per square feet to 1000 dirhams per square feet. If we go further towards the left, we can see Jumeirah Golf Estate. This is where the 2024 World Golf Championship is happening. The price in Jumeirah Golf Estate per square feet varies between 1100 to 1800. On the right towards the bottom, you can see Damac Hills 1. The price per square feet varies between 1000 to 1300. Below Damac Hills 1, you can see Mudons by Dubai Properties. The prices vary between 850 square feet to 1300 price per square feet, and again not a lot of open areas in this community like Damac Hills 1 and the way it will be in Damac Lagoons. So all around you, you have got properties that are varying, that are trading around 1000 to 1200 on an average 1200 price per square feet. And when the properties around you are trading at 1200 price per square feet as of today, won't your property, won't your townhouse that you are buying in Damac Lagoons today will trade at the same price? And this will be the newer development by the time. This is something that the concept of the concept of Damac Lagoons is better than all these projects. The Damac Lagoons is coming up with something very new that we have seen lagoons, but we have not seen lagoons the way Damac is developing. So you have got a better development, you have got more open areas, and you are buying the properties at almost at 30 to 40% lesser than the price at which townhouses around you are trading. So this is something that makes it absolutely a no-brainer investment. If I were to put in my money today in real estate, if I had that much of liquidity, I would close my eyes and buy a property in Damac Lagoons, because I know 750 dirhams per square feet is an absolute no-brainer in that location, and especially with the kind of communities that Damac develops. So there are two types of communities. There are one types of communities, I cannot name the developer, but we have seen in the new recent launches, they don't have any amenities. I mean, swimming pool and gym and a park, these are under, I mean, every developer, every Tom, Dick and Harry is providing them. These are not the amenities, they come by default. What I mean by lifestyle amenities is having a very big park, is having a golf course, is having multiple lakes in the project, is having a skate park, is having a let's say 5 to 6 kilometer long jogging track, it's having a lagoon. There are very few developers which are providing them, and when the developers are providing amenities like this, they generally charge you more, because in the very same land, they are not only developing your townhouses, they are also developing all these amenities. So in the very same land, let's say they could have developed 2 times, they could have developed double the townhouses, but they did not. So generally the prices are supposed to be higher in such townhouses, which is not the case here. So if I factor in something like this, you should have been paying 1500 dirhams per square feet for buying a townhouse in Damac Lagoons 1, and you are only paying half the price. What else do you need? Whenever you are buying the first phase of any new community, you get the maximum value for money, you get the best price. And this is where a lot of veteran investors get in. This is where a lot of successful investors who have been investing in the real estate for 15-20 years, this is where they get in, because they know the importance of getting into the very first phase, and they know they are investing in Dubai. They are not investing in a third world country where they could be years and years and years of delay. We could have a, let's say, 6 to 8 months of delay, but that is fine. The kind of value that you will get, the kind of money that you will make from DAMAC Lagoons, once, it is going to be the best investment that you have ever done. Trust me, as of now, with all the options available in the market, DAMAC Lagoon once is by far the best. It is miles ahead of every other investment option, every other townhouse option that is available in the market today. So if you need any more details, click the link below. We will get in touch with you. If you want to give us your EOI, click the link below. We will get in touch with you. If you need more information, or even if it's for any other project, get in touch with us. We will get you that information.